Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MTP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes summarizing the price action pretty straightforward. So if you say, Clay, look, summarize this for me quickly, I would say pump and dump on thin ice. Now, I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense of the company's being run out of some bunker in North Korea. I'm just saying this based solely on how the price acted today. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes right back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So let's just kind of first establish where all this started. And for me, it all started where essentially continuation happened from this candle right here. You can see the volume surged in yesterday, late day. And, that was kind of the starting point of things. So let's go through the definition. Price makes a really nice move. Well, as we just established, it started right here. And then this morning went all the way up there. I'm hoping we can all agree that, yeah, that was a really nice move. Next part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time. Well, considering this all happened in the same day, once again, I'm hoping we can agree that, yeah, this happened in a relatively short amount of time. And then the final part, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. Now, that's where the thin ice comes into play. And that thin ice point is down here at 90 cents. Because to be fair to the bulls, something like this could happen where you have the price, continue to pull back, come down to this thin ice point at 90, walk on the thin ice, and then start to work its way back upwards. And again, like I said, to be fair to the bulls, well, that would give you a set of lows there. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture these as stair steps, then from the big picture point of view, yes, you would have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. However, if the price comes down here to this 90-cent mark on thin ice, breaks through it, and then continues to sink to the downside, at that point, what would you have? You would literally have the price right back to where it all started, actually even lower than where it all started. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine strength are not going to go back to where they were. They're going to progress forward. They're not, and I'm assuming I state the obvious when I say that. So if you haven't connected those dots, 90 cents, very important level going really to the remainder of the week. Because again, in the spirit of talking from both sides and being fair, yeah, the bulls could still technically put in an overall higher base. But as it stands right now, things are looking pretty shaky, but we'll see if the bulls can pull it off or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.